Shit up in two. Go to the left and go to the right. Right now. Split! I know you fucking understand me. Let's go. It's never too early for a wall of death. All eyes on stage. Open this shit up. Let's go. Let's have fun.
It's what you see.